Hello everyone! In English, if we want to ask someone to do something politely, we always add the word please. In Mandarin, it is the same. We all use qǐng, this word. The theme of today's video is the word please. I will explain to you how to use the word qǐng, please. In addition, I will also teach you a few common verbs to use with the word qǐng to make a request. My name is Karine. I am a Mandarin teacher. My channel is focused on teaching Mandarin as a foreign language and sharing some of the grammar issues that Mandarin learners will face. The learning objectives of this video are to be able to make polite requests, to be able to ask polite requests for information. First of all, you need to understand this word, qǐng. Qǐng is the most polite and formal way to have people to do things. Qǐng means please to do something, to request, but qǐng also have the other meanings. It also means to treat a meal, to ask, to invite. You may have noticed that Chinese people do not use the word qǐng with their family members, friends, close people, or colleagues. This is because they feel it is too formal. But if you are interested in knowing how to make polite requests of people who are close to you, I will explain this to you in the next video. In the simplest form, a polite request can consist only two words. Please look at a D structure. qǐng. Add verb. For example, 请坐 Please sit. 请进 Please come in. 请说 Please speak. Read after me all over again. 请坐 请进 请说 If it is a longer request, you can look at the structure. 请 add with 你 add verb phrase. For example, 请你听我说 Please listen to me. 请你喝茶 Please have some tea. Read again. 请你听我说请你喝茶 Please remember the word 请 is only placed in front of the sentence. It is different with English. Some of you might have heard the phrase 请问 before. When we want to ask someone a question politely, we usually add 请问 to the front of the question. 请问 does not mean please ask. It means may I ask or excuse me. Let's look at these two examples. 请问厕所在哪儿 Excuse me, where is the restroom? Read it again. 请问厕所在哪儿请问你喜欢吃什么 May I ask, what do you like to eat? Read again. 请问你喜欢吃什么 Please also remember that 请问 placed in front of the questions too. When you read 请问, please make sure you get the intonation right. Because I really do have a lot of students, whenever they ask me a question, with using 请问. They mispronounce the phrase, especially the word 问. They can even pronounce the fourth tone as the third tone. In the end, they would all say 请问 or 亲吻. They didn't understand what 请吻 and 亲吻 meant at that time. It was only when I explained to them that 亲吻 means please kiss and 亲吻 mean lightly kiss. Then only they realized and laughed. I kept correcting them at that time, again and again. I remember one of my students who wanted to go to the washroom, but the rule in our class was if anyone wanted to go to the washroom, they had to ask in Mandarin. All she could remember was how to say 请问, may I ask, and 厕所, toilet. She forgot how to ask in a complete sentence. She pronounced 请问 as 请吻, and she said
老师，请吻厕所。老师，亲吻厕所。老师，请吻厕所。
She repeated it several times. What I can hear from her was 老师，请吻厕所. Seriously? How you want me to respond? And she was so innocent. I explained to her that you had just read it as Teacher, please kiss the toilet. Her face instantly turned red. Her expressions were so cute. So, when you are reading 请问, please make sure you read it right. Now, I have some reflection questions for you. After watching this video, are you able to identify 请 this word? Do you know the differences between 请 and 请问? How many verbs you can remember? Can you remember the structure for 请? Are you able to make requests politely? Thanks for watching! Please let me know your feedback and suggestions. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, and most important, please subscribe my channel. Every week I will upload a video about Mandarin. In the next video, I will talk about how to make requests to your family, friends, and close ones by using a less formal way. Goodbye! 再见!